Today we are going to elevate an ordinary cheap plastic scrubby into a grip and scrub. The materials you will need are just a small amount of number 3 cotton yarn. I like peaches and cream. A size G crochet hook, a darning needle and scissors. The ruler is optional. With size G hook and number 4 worsted weight cotton yarn, chain 16 loosely or enough chains to equal 4 inches. Now, add one more chain for a turning chain. Row 1. Turn your chain and single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across for a total of 16 single crochets. At the end of row 1, chain 1 and turn. Row 3. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each of the 16 stitches across. Row 4. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each of the next 15 stitches. Make 3 single crochets in the 16th stitch and then turn to work across the narrow raw side. Make 2 single crochets on this side and then make 3 single crochets in the next corner. Turn to work in the chains on the opposite side of where you started and single crochet in each of the next 14 stitches. Make 3 single crochets in the corner and turn to work across the raw narrow edge. Make 2 single crochets across this edge. End with 2 single crochets in the last stitch where you started and join to the beginning single crochet with a slip stitch. Now pick up your scrubby. Insert your hook through a couple of layers of the scrubby and draw up a loop. I found this is easier if you push your hook up to the neck to widen the hole after I struggled on the first few single crochets. We are going to make a multiple of 4 single crochets around the scrubby. After making a few single crochets, arrange and pin the handle in the center of the scrubby. Continue making your multiple of 4 single crochets until you get to the handle. You should have made approximately 12 single crochets. Now that you are at the handle, you will make your single crochets through both layers. Insert your hook through the handle and through the scrubby, and make 4 single crochets across both. Now, let's make a multiple of 4 single crochets up to the next handle. Note, I make 12 evenly spaced single crochets. When you get to the handle, remove the pin and make 4 single crochets through both the handle and the scrubby as you did before. Join to the first single crochet you made with a slip stitch. I ended up with 32 single crochets, a good multiple of 4. Next, we will crochet the finishing round with pretty shell stitches. Begin this round with a chain 1 and single crochet in the first stitch. Now skip 1 stitch and make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Now skip a stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. Skip a stitch and make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. You will be repeating this process around. At the end, join to the first single crochet you made with a slip stitch and end off weaving in the end. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, hit like and subscribe. Also check out my blog for free patterns at www.crochetme.com.